famous chocolates in all around the world, which costs around $30. But don't worry, I'm here to show you how to make it at home and enjoy as much as you want and you like. Also with healthier and cheaper version. Let's go! Hello lovelies, hope you're doing great as always. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make one of the most famous chocolate in all around the world at home. So easy, so affordable, and so cheaper and so delicious. With only $10 you can make this super famous chocolate at home, and also you can enjoy with your beloved ones. First of all, I just want to melt this chocolate with bain-marie way. This is our chocolate bar. I prefer to add the dark chocolate, but you can add whatever you want. I don't want so much become sweet. Well, I put these chocolates on top of the kettle for being melted, and let's go. During this time, I'm adding kadayif for dessert, and we need to roast this kadayif for a filling inside of our Dubai chocolate. You can squeeze a little bit like this because it's a little bit bulky, and after squeezing it's become more squeezed and more smaller. Just like this. We put back the heat like this, and gradually we can mix it together to not burn and having the perfect color for our kadayif. Also, our chocolate is melting. If you want, you can add a little bit butter to your kadayif, but I don't prefer that because my pistachio cream or my pistachio butter has enough butter, and I don't prefer to add extra butter or extra oil. Okay, our kadayif and chocolate is ready. Look, this is the color that we want. This is this is after, sorry, and this is before. Well, now it's time to add our pistachio butter to this kadayif. 1 full spoon pistachio butter and hot. We mix it well. You can add more than this. Oh, let's see. We want to make two colors of chocolate, which is green and which is yellow, for here under our chocolate. Let's see. 1 spoon or less of melted chocolate, and 1 drop of green color. Let's see. Okay, I changed my decision. I changed my mind. I prefer not to add the color because it's more healthier, and also if you want to add color to your chocolate, you can choose white chocolate instead of dark chocolate, because you can see here I added color to my dark chocolate and it's nothing. It seems I didn't add anything to my chocolate. No problem. It's more healthier and it's a little bit different to original one. I'm adding 1 thin layer to my mold, as you can see here. After 5 minutes, we upside down the mold and I will show you how to make the rest of this process. After 5 minutes, I just want to upside down my chocolates. This mold is a little bit hard, but if you have plastic mold, is more easier. With a knife or with a card or silicone spoon, you can make these surfaces more straighter. All the walls must be chocolatey. Well, I put it in the refrigerator and turn back from refrigerator. Now I want to put the filling inside of this super delicious chocolate. Well, this is our kadayif with pistachio. Little by little, step by step, we put and we squeeze it. You know, silicone spoon is so much easier with another spoons in this chocolate arts or some desserts. Then push, 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 la 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 la. And the last one, I push from the sides of this mold to the down. After that, we put the rest of this chocolate on top of our Dubai chocolate. What do I do? This is amazing. Don't worry about this area, because after tapping it's become so straight and the surface become so equal, like this, like this. Look. Or you can tap with this mat. Look, this is more easier, like this. And we have some bubbles who comes up. We can remove all these bubbles like this to spread all the chocolates, hold our mold and hold our ingredients. Okay, we put it in the fridge or refrigerator until it's become so solid, and after that I will show you. Let's go. Now our Dubai chocolate is ready. I take it back from fridge, and now I just want to show you how it's gonna be. Wow, wow, it's amazing. I cannot believe that. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. It's okay, no problem. You can remove it so slowly with a lot of patience and cautious. Ta-da! Also, we can fix this area no worries, because it's a little bit sticky, and I just want to put on top of that like this. It's so tricky. Let me open up from this area. This is our chocolate Dubai. The taste is super delicious. I hope you make it at home and enjoy with your beloved ones. If you want to get more recipes, please stay tuned and follow me.